Tonight I'm playing at the Hidden Gems Sessions at the Dragonfly cocktail bar in Edinburgh. I'm super excited. It's my first ever full original set, 35 minutes long. I'm doing my whole EP plus a couple of extra songs, and I just want to document how I'm feeling today. I'm not nervous at all. I'm feeling actually completely fine. I have practiced, I'm prepared. Yeah, I'm super happy with what I have lined up for people.
Yeah, you are there.
Do you want to get your photo opportunities with it first?
Yeah, that's good. Is it too bright in here then?
I'm ready for the Netflix documentary.
I'm gonna go see if anybody's. This is more spotlight, right?
Yeah.
Oh, is that happening? Is it? Right, this
Should be on this. Oh, you do
every week. Okay, wait, thank you. I just want to try one with a bit of more of a beat to see if it is. Is this the one that's like, I like you? No, this is just my like intervally music. Alright, for the vibe. Realize the dream and the thrill of today. What's your thoughts?
sounds lovely to me, but you'll know better than me what I'm guessing.
I'm at the beach, trying to get peace. Wind in my head, thinking life's unfair. Do you miss me? I'm sad, I'm telling you I'm sad.
Just behind the scene moment.
Heartbreak to now, basically. The first track these are basically all produced by myself. The first track is more about anxiety within a relationship. It's called Breathing. Breathing in the silence, why is it so loud? Don't forget the sirens, I'm hearing all around. I'm sinking in the the sun, feeling the sand. Oh, I'm breathing. So some of these are quite sad, but as I said, it's heartbreak, okay, so just keep that in mind. And some of these songs are part of my EP. I went travelling for 5 months after the relationship, and it was literally the best experience of my life. So this is kind of a song explaining that. Hardest year of my life, the best decision I ever made. Can't deny that this life is full of crazy. Don't ever let anyone stop you. Take a chance every day. Believe you can and you will. Life's a dream and a thrill. Don't matter today. So this next one, obviously I'm not in that relationship anymore, but no offense, but I just hate how guys speak to girls. Like, they don't speak very nicely sometimes. So I kind of wrote a song about that because it was getting really frustrating. I don't like it when you look at me that way. You to me, throw away, throw away. Not a one night, I'm a long time. I am looking for a different kind of guy. I don't know if you can tell, but as the songs go on, like, I've learned a bit more about how to produce music, so I'm hoping they get slightly better. This next one is me thinking back about the relationship and wondering if they miss me doing things we used to do together, because I'm doing them all by myself. The roof is down, I'm in my car, music in my ears, I'm crying real tears. And do you miss me? I'm sad, I'm telling you I'm sad. Oh, I'm telling you I'm sad. Make this to myself, go out by myself. This one's called Dollars and Diamonds. And I think I'm going to go straight into the one after that called Set My Soul Free. They're a little bit more jazzy influencey type vibes.
I knew it.
But I hope you like it. It's a little bit different from me. I'm usually a more ballad person, so but I thought I'd try it out, do you know what I mean? Every weekend, catch me outside, drowning in sorrows, digging that vibe. Fella Paris, dancing all up on me, ambiance tonton, sitting at the bar, along my Saint-Tropez. Let's go there, baby, a fellowship, baby, nothing less for me. Our money, yeah, yeah. Bring those dollars to me. You'll never catch me twice. You better run and hide. Thank you. but I never thought your actions broke my heart. The hurt will last forevermore. How could you do this? I try to look at the bright side. I try to see all the night skies. Everywhere I look, I'm reminded of you, my babies. My sweet guy. Don't play me. Turn around, look away and run. Stay away. The femme fatale is here on her own. The poison will finish the job. Just sit still and beg for my love. Beg for my love, love. Kissing eyes and then eyes, no more capture me tonight. Diamonds on the telephone, text you babe to my eyes wide and turn around. Girl, you still for a man. I never knew what I needed to do until I came around the day.
Good job, Sophie.
SophieAnnabell, everybody. I thought that was awesome. Woo! Very jazzy, right? I think you're fitting this old kind of like not old, but Peggy Lee sort of like da 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 da. You could get just your style and your jazziness. I love it. Thank you very much for playing. I know you've worked really hard to do a session and you've been coming along and supporting everybody. And I just think you're really cool. So, you and Pablo, yeah.